On November 8, the Jietu Traveler Peace Elite Aries Edition was officially introduced at the Jietu Travel Plus conference. The new car is priced at 239,900 yuan. This car is a cross-border link between Jietu JMK and the internationally renowned mobile game IP Peace Elite. It not only has an independent appearance kit, but also has comprehensive upgrades and modifications to the vehicle system and interior parts. In terms of appearance, the new car uses a new island camouflage paint, which is also a special color scheme for this car. The changes at the front of the car are also quite obvious. The vertical shape also increases the aggressiveness of the entire front of the car. The front bumper is also full of angular lines, and the all-black paint really makes this car more fierce. The shadow of the victory wings is also full of personality. The changes at the side of the body are also quite big. In addition to the different paint, the new car also adds a yellow roof, and the ramp at the rear is also retained. The biggest change is the wheels equipped with two 25/55 R20 all-terrain tires, which use a plus-shaped wheel shape and provide better road holding and drainage for the entire vehicle. In addition, the new car also uses MK multi-stage upgraded nitrogen shock absorbers, and the height and damping can be adjusted according to personal preferences. The biggest change at the rear of the car is the spare tire, which seems like it won't be easy to use a full-size special external spare tire. At the same time, the multifunction luggage rack on the roof and the more aggressive rear bumper reveal the uniqueness of this car. In terms of interior, the new car will continue to use the design language of the current model, but will add co-branded illuminated door sills, special customized logos for the seats, customized colors for the seat belts, customized front passenger panels, etc. And the theme of the car system has also been added to a special theme for Peace Elite, and the interface looks quite compatible with the game. There is no change in terms of power, and it still maintains the appearance of the current model. At present, this car has been officially launched at a price of 239,900 yuan, and it brings 5 main rights and benefits that can be said to be full of sincerity. At the same time, the press conference also includes a cross-dimensional airdrop gift package, which will allow your travelers to experience the magic of Peace Elite.